Hi guys, this is Max. He's 3 years old and he wants to show everybody how he builds airplanes out of Lego. So he's going to make a yellow airplane for everybody. Take it away, Max.
Yellow, perfect. Okay. One.
Do you want to make another one?
No.
Alright. Well, that's pretty good.
Damn it. Our airplane. They make airline. Airplane, right? That to make a lot more ones, okay? No, that make airplane, Daddy.
Yeah, it looks great, buddy. Are you all done or you want to make another one?
Make another one.
Okay, go ahead. Hurry up. The suspense is killing us. Okay, that's probably pretty good, huh?
Can you say bye, Max?
Bye, Maxie boy.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
No, my turn.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.